As we close out the month in the energy markets, it's a tale of two divergent energy sectors. Looking at natural gas, up on the month, up about 8% right now on the month. However, you flip that over and you look at the crude space, WTI down better than 11% on the month. The divergence is very interesting as, again, there's some themes and elements in the marketplace that are driving these characteristics. Now, looking at natural gas, we're looking at natural gas up about 2.5% today, pushing up towards the highs, right around that 3.266 level, pushing up back towards the high that we saw, which was a 3.322 level earlier this year. However, again, holding up, and we continue to see the trend in natural gas shifting higher here. There's a few things involved. We're moving out of the injection period and into the extraction period. And as we move into this period, we're looking at inventories at a 13-year low. So again, we're seeing some forces in the marketplace that are pushing up the starting point for natural gas, and as expectations are that as we move into the extraction period, into the high use period, which is typically January, February, we're starting from a higher low, and therefore we could see natural gas take out the highs that it attained last January. Moving over to WTI. WTI now in a downtrend. We're seeing, again, some forces in place here. We're seeing economic conditions being challenged, and I think that's putting some headwinds into the WTI space. WTI right now around that 65 level, so the low end of the range, going back down and testing those August lows. And also, as we roll towards Sunday, we're going to get the Iranian sanctions kicking in. I think the market possibly over-anticipated a little bit the impact of what those sanctions might hold, and therefore we're seeing what is believed to be a decline in demand moving forward, and yet the supply hasn't been ramped down too significantly to this point. That's another reason why I believe when you look at the WTI and you look at crude oil as a whole, you're seeing this downside pressure as we close out October.